learning all about Nano Banana. You can go to nanobanana.ai if you would like, but it is actually just a little fancy term for Gemini's image generator, which is just Gemini 2.5 or 2.5 Flash. So don't stress out if you cannot find it. It just simply means that you are going into Gemini and creating your images. The best thing about this is it is mind blowing. So I'm going to show you all what I just did. I went into Ideogram, whatever it is, the same program that you all saw where I did my AI twins photo shoot. I generated this picture here of me. Granted, up here is not me, but it's good enough. As you know, I told y'all, these are pretty big. Double D. So I wanted her some cute white sneakers. I didn't really like any of the sneakers that were generated. So I decided to go into Nano Banana or Gemini to see what it would do. Now, I am not sure if you have to pay for this or not, or how many images you can generate a day for free. I am on a paid plan, but I don't pay for it just because of an agency that I collaborate with my marketing clients. So I'm able to actually get Gemini for free. Well, paid version rather. So again, I'm not sure if you all can generate images like unlimited for free or however many. I don't know how many it is. So just take that into consideration. So anywho, so I got this image and I love it, except I just wanted cute sneakers. So what I did, I went to my Amazon, and these are some jeans that are very similar to ones that I already have, but I can't really fit the other jeans anymore. And then I love these sneakers. So I decided to save both of these to my computer. And I took the image here and I went to Google Gemini. So just go to Gemini. And then you're going to go over here. So what I did, I attached this picture, the picture of the jeans and the sneakers. You do that here. So you just add files, upload your photos. Now, I did that and I said, beautiful, confident black woman, navy blazer, white blouse, in the jeans and sneakers, standing in a Lux office against a marble counter, lots of sunlight. So I kind of sort of described the same picture just to make sure it would generate the same thing. But from what I've noticed, I don't think you really have to keep prompting it the same way. I think it'll just do, what is already in there. So anywho, this gave me a tip, by the way. It said, ask Gemini to refine images. With image generation in Gemini, your imagination is the limit. If what you see doesn't quite match what you had in mind, try adding more details to the prompt. The more specific you are, the better Gemini can create the images that reflect your vision. I already know that. But it was great to come up in case you're a complete beginner. So anywho, after I did that, it says, that sounds like a stylish outfit. I can definitely swap the jeans and sneakers in image 3 with the ones from image 1 and 2. Here's the updated image. Now, it gave the jeans rips, but they're still skinny and they're not the ones in the picture. And it did give me the sneakers, which was perfect. So that's great. However, I told it, this image looks great, but I need her in these jeans. Keep everything else the same. It said, absolutely. And then it generated the exact same photos. At this time, you can barely see the sneakers. So I don't know why it did that. And I said, you generate the exact same photo. She is in skinny jeans. The jeans I attached are not skinny. My apologies. You're absolutely right. The previous image, blah, 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 blah. So it did it again. It put the jeans, but now we cannot see the sneakers. So I said, why can I not see the sneakers now? It did it again. I said, still crop. Can't see the sneakers. I'm still having trouble with the cropping. I will ensure the sneakers are visible in this next attempt, along with the non-skinny ripped jeans. Thanks for your patience. And then it did it finally. They are a little bit high right here. And they weren't like that at first. Her pose is a little bit different. I like this pose here better. But it's okay. We can still see the sneakers. So that's what Nano Banana will do. It says, I'm glad I could create the perfect image for you. Is there anything else I can help you with today? And obviously, no. So that's basically what it is. You can attach a picture and then tell it what you want. So this is basically a good way to have character consistency or using your AI twin to create other things. So I would say play with this. It is great to use for that specific purpose. Like if you want to have a photo shoot like I did here in Ideogram, like I've shown you all before, then let's see what will happen when we do this. Let's do this real quick just to see. Um, let's give her a Birkin. No, can't save the picture. Come on. Dang, okay, can't save that picture. I really, this and this, those are two Birkin bags I really want. Let's try it. Dang it, nobody's letting you take the freaking, I don't want any of those. I really wanted that color. And that's not going to go with her outfit. Let's just take this one, I guess. Dang, I still can't save any of these images? Okay. JPEG. I don't like that color, but this is just for an experiment. Exchange her handbag for the one attached. Now, something else this would be good for is if you are doing affiliate marketing or you're selling something or you're a brand ambassador, something like that, because then your AI twin can have the product. Or if you have your own product line, your avatar or twin rather could be using your candles, your skincare products, your modeling your clothing, anything of that nature. So again, you could do that too. All right, let's see. Oop, yep, now I got my own Birkin, y'all. Let's change it. Can you make her blazer match the bag? If they can do that, that would be amazing. I hate how it keeps cutting my feet off. It keeps cropping. Oh, never mind. I think it was already cropped. No, it isn't. Let me see. Nope. Yeah, that's what I thought. The original, the blazer is the exact same, and you added a black handbag when you were not instructed to do so. Please make her blazer match the orange handbag and do not crop the photo. This is taking a lot of work, but I guess you just got to keep playing with it. And I'm not pausing this or anything, just so you all can see how long it takes to generate photos. And right now it's taking a while. Lord. Dang it, I spelled blazer wrong. I wonder if I should make the blazer orange. Sheesh, I might have to pause for y'all. This is taking far too long. This is annoying. I wouldn't even want to do this. It's frustrating. So after 3 more attempts, it gave me this. However, the bag is now different. So let's see. Change her bag. You changed her bag. Please change her bag back to the one attached. Do not change anything else about this photo, including the ratio / size. Let's give that back. Looks like Halloween, doesn't it? Hopefully it doesn't crop the feet out again. Jesus. I'm going to pause it and y'all can come back after it's generated. Okay, so I gave up because it continued to not do what it was instructed. Like, it's just ridiculous. Like, it gave me the wrong handbag. I put it up there again. It took the handbag all the way off, cropped the feet off. It gave her the same handbag back again, gave me the feet back, put the wrong bag again, wrong bag again. So I just said, forget it. Now, I want to tell you all this as well. If you go to the generator that I showed you all a long time ago, so if you're watching this on YouTube, if I am saying things you do not recognize, it's because I am also talking to people in my AI Avatar Lab. If you would like to join the AI Avatar Lab, I suggest doing so because the price is going up Tuesday night to $77. Currently, it is $47. You only pay one fee. You have lifetime access. I am always updating, adding things few times a week. So I suggest getting in on it because I am not lowering the price again. I will be at $47 until Tuesday night, and then from then on it will be $77. And then I am most likely going to raise the price one more time. I just don't know when, but I want to have a certain amount of members as well as a certain amount of resources in the lab for you. So anywho, if you go over to Fal.ai, you can actually use Nano Banana for free. So only thing you do, you're on the homepage, it'll have Nano Banana on the banner. Just click that. So what I did, I put in that same thing just to see. I actually deleted the jeans and sneakers because I was going to do the ones we were just doing in Gemini, but this is what it came up with. It messed the eyes up, but you do see that she has on those jeans and the sneakers. However, the jeans are not the exact same. If you all hear odd noise, it's my son sleeping next to me. It is 12 o'clock at night as I'm filming this, by the way. So if you hear a little snoring, it's not me. It's my 5-year-old son. All right, so it did pretty good with this. It didn't change up anything. It just cropped her feet out, which again, I do not like, but this was just to see. So now we're going to try this here, see what it does. So I'm going to add this. Change the handbag to the one attached. That's it. That's all I want to say. We're going to see what happens. So you can change up how many images you want. The output format, I always do PNG. And then that literally is all you have. So I always do like 2 or 3 photos. Let's see what happens here. Come on. Good gracious. There it is right here. Boom. We got it. I don't like how this face is in this, but I just wanted to do this. However, I just don't like that her feet are cropped out. So I think it looks way better when you can see the feet. But oh well. All right, so that's how that works, y'all. Again, you can use Nano Banana for free in Fal.ai. I've also seen that you can use Nano Banana in Higgsfield. I'm going to be adding a little Higgsfield walkthrough in the lab only, not here on YouTube. I don't know when yet, but I'll be adding it soon. And if you have not done so, if you are a lab member, please make sure you go through the prompts that I added. I added I guess you call it a guide of 143 prompts you can use for AI twin or AI avatar photo shoots. And I also included the prompts from the photo shoots from the AI twin photo shoot video that I did in the lab, and I showed you all that hour-long video. I included most of the prompts that I did for my own AI twin in that photo shoot, so you all can use those as well. All right, so if you're watching this on YouTube, thank you for watching, and be sure to tune back in to the next video. Bye.